Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of March planting, where we'll talk about 15 crops that are absolute gems to plant this month. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get started. Before we jump into our list, let's talk about why March is such a fantastic time to get your hands dirty in the garden. With the days getting longer and the weather starting to warm up, it's the perfect opportunity to sow seeds and watch them flourish. Plus, planting in March gives your crops a head start before the heat of summer kicks in. Now, without further ado, let's discover those 15 crops you'd be foolish not to plant this month. First up, we have everyone's favorite tomatoes. These juicy, flavorful fruits thrive when planted in March. Whether you prefer cherry tomatoes for snacking or beefsteak tomatoes for slicing, now's the time to get them in the ground. Next on our list is lettuce. With its crisp leaves and refreshing taste, lettuce is a staple in any garden. Plant a variety of types like romaine, butterhead, and leaf lettuce for a colorful salad bowl right in your backyard. Carrots. These vibrant root vegetables are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. March is the perfect time to sow carrot seeds for a bountiful harvest later in the year. Just make sure to give them plenty of space to grow nice and long. Broccoli is another must-have for your March planting list. Rich in vitamins and antioxidants, broccoli loves the cool temperatures of early spring. Plus, you can harvest both the florets and the tender stalks for a tasty addition to your meals. Spinach is up next, and it's a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with iron, vitamins, and minerals. Spinach is a versatile green that can be enjoyed fresh in salads or cooked in various dishes. Plant it now for a steady supply of leafy goodness. Peas are another fantastic crop to plant in March. Whether you're growing shelling peas, snap peas, or snow peas, they all thrive in the cool weather of early spring. Just be sure to provide them with some support to climb as they grow. Who can resist the sweet taste of fresh strawberries? March is the ideal time to plant strawberry runners, allowing them to establish their roots before the warm weather sets in. With proper care, you'll be enjoying juicy strawberries straight from your garden in no time. Now, let's talk about herbs. March is the perfect time to start your herb garden. Whether it's basil, parsley, cilantro, or mint, these aromatic plants thrive in the springtime sunshine and add flavor to your culinary creations. Onions may bring a tear to your eye, but they're worth it. Plant onion sets in March for a bountiful harvest of flavorful bulbs. Whether you prefer sweet onions for salads or pungent onions for cooking, there's a variety for every taste. Radishes are next on our list, and they're the perfect crop for impatient gardeners. These fast-growing vegetables are ready to harvest in just a few weeks, adding a spicy crunch to salads and sandwiches. Potatoes are a staple in many kitchens, and March is the time to plant them. Whether you're growing russets for baking or red potatoes for roasting, make sure to plant them in well-drained soil and keep them watered as they grow. Peppers come in all shapes, sizes, and heat levels, making them a fun addition to any garden. Whether you prefer sweet bell peppers or fiery chili peppers, March is the perfect time to plant them and enjoy a colorful harvest later in the year. Cucumbers are next on our list, and they're perfect for adding a refreshing crunch to salads and sandwiches. Plant cucumber seeds in March and provide them with plenty of sunlight and water for a bumper crop of crisp cucumbers. Last but not least, we have cabbage. Whether you're craving coleslaw, sauerkraut, or stuffed cabbage rolls, March is the time to plant this versatile vegetable. With its hearty leaves and rich flavor, cabbage is a welcome addition to any garden. And there you have it, folks, 15 crops you'd be foolish not to plant in March. So roll up your sleeves, grab your gardening tools, and let's make this spring the best one yet. Happy planting!